Hello everybody, my name is Josh. I'm a staff member here at the TIU Career Center, and today I would like to introduce you the Career Center and the services we offer here. The Career Center is a place where we provide information and guidance related to job hunting and job opportunities in Japan and help students plan for their future career after graduating from TIU. Here at TIU, we offer several services such as individual career counseling, resume building, interview practices, and job hunting seminars. We also offer internship program opportunities for students, and they can choose companies and jobs from a wide variety of options to help them develop the skills needed for corporate work and also help them really understand what it's like working in Japan. Now, I'd like to introduce you to some of our students who took part in internships through TIU.
My name is Akbota. I'm from Kazakhstan and I'm second year DBI major student here at TIU. After I graduate university, I want to work in Japan, and having internship during my second year would benefit me in having idea of what Japanese corporate environment looks like and what is the best career path I can take. So by being inside of the company and knowing the industry firsthand from current employees is just a great opportunity to discover your career options.
My name is Naomi. I am from Indonesia and I am currently a third-year student of Digital Business and Innovation, or DBI, in TIU. In my internship, we get to experiment with a lot of interactive media like social media and websites, so I gain a lot of practical knowledge. And other than that, I think this is very important. This internship really makes me feel more confident with my own ability because it is my first time presenting in Japanese in front of the employees of the company. So I was quite nervous at first, but I overcame that challenges and I came back more and more confident than before. I think this is one of the highlights of my undergraduate studies and I was very happy with that.
I'm Keiko Muramatsu. I'm a coach for business leaders in the organization corporate world. So my role in TIU is I coach E-Track students as a career coach, and I help them to explore what they really want to do with their life during TIU, but also after they graduate in future. I think the main reason of the importance is internship itself is a journey of self-discovery. And there's two things. One is about experiencing it by setting goals, having a clear vision, and reflect afterwards. So you're super clear what you learned through this experience. But another is the reason why we're doing the class is you get to interact with other students who had a different experience, or maybe same internship, but had a different perspective. And that's a big, rich source for you to know more about working in Japan.
TIU also offers the Career Experience Practicum as part of its curriculum. This is a project-based learning course where students are taught by both TIU faculty and also employees from major Japanese companies with a global outreach. Through this, students gain the necessary skills and also gain an understanding on what is needed to succeed and enter a Japanese global company.
Hi, I'm Nimigalson. I'm from Bhutan. I'm majoring in business economics and I'll be working for Fujitsu after I graduate. Even for Japanese students, they have the common problem, which is how to sell ourselves. I reflected on all my failed attempts and I realized that I was nervous, I was ill-prepared, and from day on, I went in with a smile, confidence. When you convey the message, not only by words, but convey the message by energy, by vibe, that the interviewer feel that you can work for them, that you got what it takes to contribute to that company. And that's how I landed the job. And please stay connected to TIU Career Center. They have all the information, all the assistance, you name it, they got it. I'd like to thank TIU Career Center from the bottom of my heart. Together we have achieved the goal. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Hazel. I'm from Indonesia. I graduated from TIU in fall 2022, and I'm currently running a creative agency business called Sphere Studio in Jakarta and also in Tokyo. So my message for future students of TIU would be to expand and grow your network throughout your time in university, and don't forget to not miss any golden opportunities along the way.
Hi, my name is Jonathan from Indonesia. I took the 3 years BE program in TIU and I graduated back in 2022. Currently, I'm serving as Chief Business Officer and co-founder in Sphere Studio, a marketing agency based in Indonesia and Japan. So, my message for you guys is first, study well, and then expose yourself to the international community, follow your passion, and don't forget to explore Japan.
Doing job hunting in Japan can be tricky, and the Career Center is here to help you every step of the way to help you land your dream career in Japan. We look forward to seeing you here at TIU.